So welcome back, guys. This week we'll be looking at the currency pair EURZAR and aiming to continue in profit. So last week was a very successful week in which we made 1,500 USD from this currency pair. The projected market move is about 10% complete, which means there's still more profits to be made. So let's quickly take a look at the market. So let's take a look at the chart. So this is the EURZAR chart, 1 hour time frame. So if you look closely, you can see what appears to be a channel. So we are seeing price finding support right there, and finding resistance at this level. Then going back down to support, then going up to resistance. So my prediction, after seeing this price behavior, was that we might see price pulling down to retest support before going up. Bear in mind, guys, this market is in an uptrend, so this is just the market being corrective. So I know a lot of you guys don't like trading against the trend, but it depends on what magnitude you are looking at the market, because this is a lot of pip movement right here. But overall, it's not that much of a pullback, when you look at the overall movement of price. So so far I've been able to trade the sell right here. I got the retracement right here as well, which was a buy position going up to this level. Took profit when price started to reject from this level right here, and then I entered a sell position at that level and came all the way down here, and this was when price closed. So that's 1,500 US right there. Now what we are trying to we are trying to do this week is to make $500 from this level right here. Well, depending on your account size, I'm just pushing out values based on my account size. So let me just say, all right, 1,000 pips then. So 1,000 pips there, 1,000 pips here, and possibly another 1,000 pips right here. I really don't think the market will pull down further than this, because we have to factor in rejections and retracements and all of that. So if you look at all these levels, you'll see that the market retraces at each level, or tries to correct the price behavior. So yes, so this is what we're going to try to trade this week. Currently the market is retracing, right? So what we want to do is find the level where the market should retrace to. We can use our fib tool as well, but for this, I'm just going to place that right there as my support level, or my resistance level, that I'm thinking that the market should retrace to, and then pull down to try to break this level once more and pull down to our level right here, which we want to take profit. Again, how I trade is that I don't it's not overly predicting the market, but it's actually behaving according to how the market is moving at the time. So when the market opens, my first objective is to look at each candle that is forming and identify what the market is actually doing. Right now, if the market opens and I'm seeing a lot of rejection candles, that are giving me the idea that price is going to push down, then obviously my bias is going to be a short position rather than waiting for price to retest this level, because price doesn't have to, right? So yeah, that's on the 1 hour. Coming on the daily, you'll be able to see the chart much more clearly. so you can see the channel much more clearly. I've also outlined, what we're hoping to make as in profit going down. If we zoom out a little bit, we can see the trend that the market is in, which is an upward trend, as I outlined before. And so this is one of the reasons why I'm going to stick with this currency pair for a while, because if it is that we have price coming, breaking, if price breaks this channel right here, right, and we see price hitting this level right there, we can expect price to, after some point, we can expect price bouncing off this level right here, which is potentially another you know another position that we can enter. But it doesn't have to go that way. We all know that the market has a million ways that it can possibly go. So just to give you a few, price, we can also see price coming down to support right here, and then bouncing off to resistance and breaking resistance, and then continuing up. Or we can see price breaking support, retesting support, and then continue to our level right here, right? So those are some things to note about trading this currency pair. Again, for entries, guys, we want to see those rejection candles, you know you and I suggest looking for those candles on the 1 hour time frame or the 15-minute time frame, right? You'll see a lot of rejection candles right here that you can know, because each candle tells a story about the market. It tells what the market is currently doing, and you don't want to ignore that, right? So I think that is enough for now, because this video is really long. So if there are any updates, or if I realize that I left out anything, I'll definitely include in the video as we go along. But yeah, that's just an overview of what we'll be trading this week. So just to summarize, we are looking for some type of rejections here, price pulling down to this level, giving some rejections. Let me see if I can get my ghost feed here. So yeah, we're looking for price to come down to this level, some rejections, come back here, some rejections, come back here, some rejections, and then hit our support, right? And price can either continue to go up or break our support. We don't rule the market, we don't know, we only react to the market, right? So yeah, so that's hopefully a lot of money, guys. So let's do this. Okay, guys, so that was our trading plan for EURZAR this week. I'll make any updates if necessary, depending on how the market is behaving. Entry signals, I'll put that on my Instagram story. So make sure that you have notifications enabled, so you'll get those entry signals. I won't be telling you to take profit or stop loss. That is entirely up to you. That's entirely your risk based on your risk management strategy. So yeah, let's hope for the best.